everybody, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. Now you may be wondering, Afro. It's been almost a month again until episode 4. Yes, I know. I've been working on a very big project that's going to be coming out later today, and I'm really excited for that project. But we're back in Slime Rancher. I also did some work off camera so that it's not as boring as last time, because last time we did just a lot of farming and stuff. As in today, I'm going to show you what I did off camera, and we're going to go find a Largo. Preferably the Tabby one, because I got my chicken stuff going. Hopefully. Better make me chickens, damn it. But, I opened up another area to get more, veggies and stuff growing. So here we have odd onions. Chicken. We have a storage silo over here. Just gonna grab these because I'm hoping to find the Tabby Largo. We have... I don't know what kind of veggie these are, but... they're a veggie. That's all I know. Chicken. We got our heartbeats growing here. And that's about it for over here. I got a bunch of suit upgrades and stuff, so I have a jetpack and all that good stuff now. And, all the slimes are pretty happy. They're being good. They're not being angry beans. We also have a bunch of, plorts, because I was hoping to unlock the Grove later today. So definitely gonna be selling a bunch of these. Yes, cats. Ah, God, I love the phosphorus slimes. They're the best. In my opinion, phosphorus slimes are the best out of all the slimes. Changed my mind. And just need to... Ah, those are chickens! Give me back my chickens. Thank you. Oh yeah, I've been considering making, rad slimes, too, because I don't know where to find them yet. But, in the meantime, I'm just gonna deposit a bunch of these. There we go. Alright. Let's go find a Largo. If I find the Phosphor Largo, it won't be too hard to deal with. I have a bunch of fruit anyways. Ooh, maybe once we get a mint mango, we'll grow it down in there, because that's where I like to grow my mint mangoes. I have a lot of order to things in my Slime Rancher worlds. I'm a weirdo, yes. Been told this many of times. But, I have a friend. That friend name is Bioscar, and if you haven't heard of him, he just hit 60 subscribers, and I am super proud of him. I've been encouraging him to keep going, and I hope he does continue to keep going. Just keep growing and growing. But if you would like to go show him support, go check him out at Bioscar, capital B-I-O-S-C-A-R, Bioscar. And check him out. He's a pretty cool dude. He's vibe. Makes pretty good gacha videos. I've watched a lot of them. Has one of my characters in it too, so it's pretty lit. Pretty lit, in my opinion. But, oh look, tabby slimes. Ooh, hey, chickens. Yoink. Give me all the chickens. Ooh, slime. One of you here becomes a tar, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, you know what? Let's pick this up. Ouchie! Back to getting water. Here, tar. I did. Where? Where? Ah! Water tap, water tap! That's a rad plort. No! Don't eat that! That's chickens. That's... no. Give me back my chickens. That's a stony hen. Wait, no! No! I'm sorry, slime. No! Is there another one? God damn it. Where is it? Cars are annoying. Yay! Give me the water, please. And I'm getting out of here. Oh, wait a minute. Tabby Largo! Ah! Ugh, this is gonna take a while. Where are all the chickens? Chickadoo. Ooh, stony chickadoo. The other stony chickadoo. Chickadoo. Owie! Owie! Hey, that's not how you treat somebody who just fed you. Alright, well, we found the Tabby Largo, because I totally did not forget where it was. Back to looking for chickens now. No. No, bad. Gimme. I'll take these two. Owie! Ah. Oh my goodness, there's so many chickens up here. Chickens! Look at all these chickens! You're coming with me. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna head back to base real quick. I don't think 15 hens are gonna be enough to feed a Tabby Largo. Just gonna scoop by, look by. Give me the chickadoos. Thank you. Is there another one? Oh. Yoing. I wonder how the chickens feel. Or what they see in their eyes when they just see some random person come up and go vacuum. Wonder what's on the inside of the vacuum. So very interesting. So many questions. Whoop. Ah, that's a hen. Give me that back. Alright, you two back in here. One of those back in there. And shove a bunch of chickadoos in there. There. Now then. Pick the last couple of these fruits. I think I'll go put the cube berries in storage. Put the pomegranate fruits in the pen. Phosphate Largo is going to be super easy to take care of because I have a bunch of fruit stored up. It's always the chickens that thwart my plans. Ah, there we go. Get all the pogo fruit. All the pogo fruit. Bump, bump, bump. Bump. There we go. Okay, pogo fruit, you're gonna go blah, blah, blah. Oh, no, get back here. I wonder if you could design one of these things in real life. You know how cool that'd be? That'd be dope. That'd be really cool. Very interesting, too. Very interesting, too. You'd have to use a lot of mechanics not to, like, completely smoosh things on the inside of it. That'd be cube berries. Pogo fruit. Odd onions. Ooh, hey, another hen. Yoink. Alright, we're gonna run back up here. Odd onions will go with the Tabby rock slime combo. Rock Tabby. That's how you say it. Did you guys already eat all your food? I might put some carrots in here too. There we go. That might be good. You guys are also out of food. How much food do these things eat? Take all the carrots. Put them in here. There. Okay, and then we'll go get the last couple of fruit or veggies from back here. Bum-ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh yeah, we didn't heartbeat for the whatchamacallem, rock slimes. I'm blanking today. Oh man. Another hen, another hen, some more hens. Give me all the hens. Okay. Go eat some of these carrots. Over into the machine. There we go. Always got Oka is what these are called. Found them in the, whatchamacallit, the mines? I think that's what they were called. Again, I'm kind of stupid, so how would I know? Zawoosh, I love this jetpack. It's so much fun to use. Yeah, heartbeats go into the rock slime area. And then, these will go in here. Alright, that should last all of them till the next day. We hope. In we go! And sleep until morning. Bonk. Return to ranch. Okay, let's see. Go and grab all the stuff off the trees. Come on, get off the tree, please. Thank you. There we go. Alright, finally. There, the last couple of ones. Bunk, bunk, bunk. Alright, let's see. You guys all seem to have enough food. Gonna run into the back and put these all away. Oh, red. These things seem really interesting. Alright, pogo fruit will go in here. Oopsie, I missed one. Get over there. That was a interesting way to get it in here. And then cube berries. Now we're gonna go over here and grab all these. These odd onions really intrigue me. I don't know, like, it looks like they have been painted by somebody. But maybe that's just the way they look. Did I grab all the odd onions already? There's usually 6 that are there, but I guess not. Bum-ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. We're gonna get our slime key. I wonder where the slime key will lead. I wanna try and get across that bridge, too. Bridge. Oh, you guys will be fine. Are you guys hungry? We'll put the carrots in here. There you go. I think the rest of this we can go put in storage, because it's always good to have extras. Get all the carrots. And imagine if farming was this easy. Food for days. Like if you just needed some nutrients and some sprinklers, and if they grew this quickly in real life. Gosh, that would be awesome. Where do the odd onions go? Up in there. Ooh, hey, another hen. Yoink. These aren't grown yet. I need to really, There we go. We're basically at the same amount of money we started at the beginning of the episode. Sweet. That means I'm doing something right. rechargeable M2. Oh, sweet. I have 200 health. Ooh, hey, another hen. Get over here. Ooh, power score M2. That'll help a lot. I like running around. Wait, I don't think they need any more heartbeats right now. So I could just go shove these in here. Not in there, in here. Yes. Tank booster. Ooh, I can store more stuff in my tanks. That's what they're called, tanks. It'd be so interesting if somebody made this in real life. My goodness. It's sheer curiosity. Take some of the roosters out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Let's go take care of this Tabby Largo. After we take care of the Tabby Largo, yeah, I'll have most of my slots open. Just gonna zawoosh our way through here. Actually, I can swipe up some hens along the way. Hello! Oh, you're a stony hen. Don't need you. I need you. There we go. 27 should be good, right? No, you don't. Get over here. No! Mine. This hen is mine. Back off, slimes. No, mine. Okay. Mission accomplished. Yeet! Now, let's, where am I going? Over here. You eat 4 of those. You gonna eat all these? You're still not full. Scree! Okay. The stony hen's smart enough to stay up here? No. Alright. I'm out of sprint. Gosh darn it. I only need like 1 or 2 more. So I'll get 4. Run through here. Chickadoos. Stony hen. Come on, let me up the ledge. Gimme. Yes. What's up here? Oh ho ho! Why is it locked? Is that all that's up here? Failures. Okay. Any more chickens? There's some that spawn through here. Hello, rock slime bean. Here, calm down. Yep, those slimes were not happy. Let's see, chickens. Do we have any chickens on this side? Chickens. No! Gimme. Oh, gosh, there's a lot of mine. I should get some of these mappa slimes next time I come around here. Ooh, hey, what's in here? There's me, there's a tar. Ouchie. Ooh, hey. Some to you. Yep, you can eat those. Bye. Alright, I got what I needed. Got a couple. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're good. Made it. Oh, hey. One of these. Hooah! Oh, an ornament. Wildflower ornament. Sweet. Don't know what it does. I'll just go put it up, I'll go put it up by the tabby slime. Oh god, I forgot about these guys. Hi! Bye! Well, we're just gonna place it right out here. There we go. Nope. Like that. There we go. Alright, let's go finish feeding off this, tabby sluggo. Big old bean. Then bean goes boom and gives me more tinier beans. Logic. And we're going to go over here and... Ah, there we go! Hello! All of you. Another wildflower. There we go. What the? Oh, okay. That was weird. There's a Largo, or there's a tar, isn't there? Ooh, cube berries. Yoink yoink. Just gonna walk through here. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm here. I was like, hold on a second. This, where am I? Okay, well, I'm gonna have the Tabby Slimes go burr over here. I know there's a nice area where they can, hang out, and eat all the chickens they'd like. Where it won't bother my farm. Be free! No! Oh, no. We're not gonna talk about that. We are not gonna talk about that. Oh, no. Am I a murderer? Nah. It was an accident. I'm not going back to jail. I refuse. Okay, be free, Hen Hen. Yay! Okay. You know, I can imagine... What's his name? Making an animation about this. Huh. I'm horrible at animating. But having an animation about this would be frickin' hilarious. Not gonna lie. Actually, we can go shove some more stuff over in here. You guys in there might need some. Yeah. Right in here. Yeah, you guys need some. We'll give you some odd onions in here. You guys need fruit? You guys do need fruit. Yeah, you guys desperately need some fruit. I might take some out of storage for them. Because they're definitely gonna need some, or else they're gonna be some hungry slimes. Run up over here. We got these. Grab a bunch of them. Ooh, hey, we got an extra one out of that one. Sweet. Up the cliff. Over the cliff. Absorb all the pogo fruit. Alright, and I don't think we need to put these in any areas. We're just gonna put some pogo fruit. The top of these look like that, though. Nah, not really. That one's a bit more pink. Maybe that'll hold you guys over. Probably not. These aren't gonna be grown for another good amount of time. But let's just go put these back into... Wait, I didn't get a slime key from that Largo. Darn. Well, where does this teleporter lead? That place. Don't know what that place is. But I know we have a teleporter far in the back that'll bring us over there in a swift second. But you know, I think that's where we're going to call it quits today. Thank you for tuning in. And if you do enjoy this series, like and subscribe. And, be prepared for what's coming. We have a new series that I've worked long and hard on. Now, I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.